Jakoben Eskling, vad var det där? Tjena, det är mig podcasterska Katarina på Måsmark-kanalen. Och idag ska vi göra något nytt på den här kanalen. Eller inte så nytt. Eftersom i det här video hade jag redan gjort det samma sak som jag ska göra idag. Så jag har valt filmen The Fifth Element med Bruce Willis, Mila Jovovich, eftersom det här filmen är en av mina favorit, såklart efter Panda Kung Fu som du vet. Så innan vi börjar, du behöver slå på knappen prenumerera för att vi hörs och träffas i andra avsnitt på den här kanalen. Here he is. Här är han. The winner of the Gemini Croquette Contest. Så han är vinnaren av Gemini Croquette-tävlingen. Tävlingen is the contest or in English it is just contest. Sorry. So tävlingen and winner is en vinnare.
This boy is fueled like fire, so start melting, ladies.
This boy is fueled like fire, so start melting, ladies. Det här killen, I don't know, can we say it like that in Swedish? But I will say it like that. Det här killen är tänd som en eld, så börjar smälta tjejer. So once again, he is fueled like fire. Är tänd som en eld. So we need to use the word som as an equivalent of like, fire, eld, and start melting, ladies. Så börja smälta tjejer, because we need imperative form here. Så börja smälta tjejer.
Because the boy is hotter than hot. He's hot, hot, hot.
Because he's hotter than hot. He's hot, hot, hot. För han är hetare än het. So he is hotter than hot. Han är het. So he is hot, hot, hot. Yeah, it's going to be a bit strange maybe episode, but whatever, because I just enjoy watching this film, I enjoy doing translation, and I enjoy inspiring you to find different ways to learn Swedish language.
The right size, right build, right head, the right arm.
The right size, the right build, the right hair, the right on. Så rätt storlek, rätt kroppsbyggnad, so right build of the body, so the muscles or whatever, so rätt kroppsbyggnad, rätt hår, rätt på. And he's got something to say. Och han har något att säga. Så han har något. We write något, but we say not. And you remember that something, which is translated as något, in negative sentences will be not translated, but it will turn into inget.
To those 50 billion pair of ears out there.
To those 50 billion pairs of ears out there. So, till de 50 miljarder par ögon där ute. So, to those, till those 50 billion, de 50 miljarder pairs of ears. par öron där ute.
Billion pair of ears out there! Pop it, D-man!
Pop it, D-man, we will translate as sätt igång, so say it, sätt igång, D-manen. And he calls him D-man because he's Korvidalos, so not he is, but he will be Korvidalas. Yep.
Hi.
Hi. Hey.
Unbelievable!
Unbelievable. And I guess in Swedish it will sound as otroligt.
Quiver, ladies, quiver! He's gonna set the world on fire!
Skaka tjejer, han kommer att sätta världen i brand. Skaka is like quiver, tjejer, you know. Han kommer att sätta världen i brand. So he's going to put or set the world on fire.
Right here from 5 to 7.
Right here from 5 to 7. So had from 5 till 7. Maybe he's talking about time frame. I don't know.
You know everything there is to know about that D-man!
You will know everything there is to know about the D-man. So du kommer att veta, eller jag skulle säga få veta, allt som finns att veta om D-manen. So you are going to know. The phrase få veta is quite nice here because we will mean that we get to know, not only know, because just the word veta does not really show the meaning of this phrase. So you'll know everything. So look, better to say få veta. And one more time. Du kommer att få veta allt som finns att veta. So here we say att veta om D-manen.
His dream, his desire, his most intimates of intimates.
His dreams, his desires, his most intimate of intimates. Hans drömmar, hans längtan, so his desire, hans mest, eller inte mest, hans djupaste hemligheter. So his most intimate of intimates, I would translate like his deep secrets. Or maybe hans mest privata tankar. Also works like nice translation. Okay.
And from what I'm looking at, intimate is this stud muffin's middle name.
And from what I'm looking at, intimate is his middle name. So, och av det jag ser, so from what I'm what I'm looking at, so from what I'm looking at, och av det jag ser är intim hans mellannamn. So if any of you have any kind of mellannamn, you can now, or you know how to say this phrase about yourself with your mellannamn, of course. So we go on.
So tell me, my man.
So tell me, my man. So säg till mig min man.
So tell me, my man. You nervous in the service?
You nervous in the service? So this phrase is going to be used, or it is used in more casual cases. So maybe in Swedish language it's better to translate like är du nervös eller hur? Or känner du dig nervös kompis? Eller är du nervig i tjänsten? So, but we still can translate it like word by word, they do the two-word translation. For example, är du nervös på jobbet? Eller känner du dig nervös i tjänsten? But still nice phrase.
Not really.
Not really. Inte riktigt. I don't think there are so many things that we can discuss, but Yes, we have things to discuss. So let's talk about inte, or actually not, in Swedish language. So, of course, the most common translation of not is inte, and it is used after the verb. For example, when we say jag är inte trött, I'm not tired, or the other variant or alternative is ej, which is more formal, and it is used it is used in written language. For example, det är ej tillåtet, so it is not allowed. And the last, or one of the alternatives that is translated as not is icke, and icke is a very poetic form of not, and it is used in literature or in very formal writing. For example, icke ett ord, not a word, so none of the word. Okay, so let's come back to Korbidalas.
Freeze those knees, Mikey D's. The curve's in the place and he's on a...
Freeze those knees, cause Corbin's in the place and he's on the case. I'm not sure that I'm going to do the same good rapping as he does here, but I will try. So let's first translate like the phrase that we have, not phrase but the sentences. Frys de knäna, för Corbin är på plats och han är på farligt. So I think that it's just the way how in Swedish language I'm not going to do that like rapping or rhyming, but it's just good to know the translation. So once again, frys de knäna, för Corbin är på plats och han är på farligt.
Yesterday's frog will be tomorrow's prince.
Yesterday's frog will be tomorrow's prince. I will do word-to-word translation here because I have no idea how to say it in Swedish, maybe correct. But if Swedes are watching me, let me know in the comments how to translate this phrase, yesterday's frog. But I will translate like that. Igårs groda blir morgondagens prins. Igårs groda.
Across paradise. A hotel of 1,001 follies, lollies, and nicomollies.
The hotel of 1,001 follies and lollies. So we translate it like this. Hotellet med 1,001... Okej. Hotellet med 1,001 dårskap och godis. Dårskap och godis.
A magic fountain flow of non-stop wine, women, and...
A magic fountain flowing with non-stop wine, women, and... We take parts because he's speaking very fast. Och en magisk fontän som flödar med oavbrutet vin, kvinnor och. So non-stop wine, oavbrutet. So that one that does not stop or can't be stopped.
And all night long.
All night long. Hela natten lång. Hela natten lång. All night long. End of transmission. Överföring avslutat. So the transmission has finished.
Okay, Ruby. See you tomorrow at 5.
See you tomorrow at 5. Vi ses imorgon 5:00.
How was it?
How was it? Hur var det? Eller hur gick det?
What was that?
Kobin, sweetheart, what was that? Kobin, älskling, vad var det där? So, okay, I guess now it's going to be fight.
It was bad. It had nothing. No.
It was bad. Det var dåligt.
Bad. It had nothing. No.
It had nothing. Det hade, eller det fanns ingenting. So there was nothing. Det fanns ingenting.
Fire, no energy, no nothing.
No fire, no energy, no nothing. What a nice phrase to think about how to translate it into Swedish. Ingen eld, because he promised eld in the beginning. Ingen energi, no energy. Inget alls, so no nothing. Inget alls, so nothing at all. Inget alls.
You know I have a show to run here, you know?
I have a show to run here, you know? Jag har en show att leda här, vet du? Jag har en show att leda här, vet du?
So tomorrow from 5 to 7, you...
So tomorrow from 5 to 7. Så imorgon från 5 till 7.
Please act like you have more than a 2-word vocabulary. So tomorrow from 5 to 7, you please act like you have more than a 2-word.
Please act like you have more than 2-word vocabulary. Så imorgon från 5 till 7. Var snäll och be till dig som du har mer än ett 2-ords ordförråd. Eller 2-ords ordförråd. I like this scene so much.
Vocabulary. Okay?
Can I talk to you for a second?
Can I talk to you for a second? Kan jag prata med dig en sekund? Eller en stund? Kan jag prata med dig för en stund? Eller en sekund?
I didn't come here to play Pumbaa on the radio.
I didn't come here to play Pumbaa on the radio. Så jag kom inte hit för att spela Pumbaa på radion. I didn't come here, but I actually would translate this sentence as jag har inte kommit hit för att spela Pumbaa på radion.
Tomorrow from 5 to 7, you're gonna give yourself a hand.
So tomorrow from 5 to 7 you'll give yourself a hand. Så imorgon från 5 till 7 kommer du att ge dig själv en klapp på axeln. Or maybe we could translate this phrase as så imorgon från 5 till 7 kommer du att ta hand om dig själv. Eller ta hand om den här situationen själv.
Tomorrow from 5 to 7, you're gonna give yourself a hand. Green?
Okej, så det var den sista sekunden av den här delen. Jag hoppas att du gillar det eftersom jag tror att det var jätteroligt. Så det var mig, podcasterska Katarina på Mosmar-kanalen. Och vi hörs eller ses i andra avsnitt på den här kanalen.